now you're gonna do Miss Saigon as Gigi.
Yes.
You've done your time as an accomplished pop singer for 10 years. Is there anything else Rachel Ango would like to try out?
Right now, I'm very thankful. Sobrang contento na ako sa lahat na nangyayari. Yun na lang talaga looking forward ako sa mga mangyayari dun sa London, you know. And after that, after the musical, hindi ko rin alam kung uuwi pa ba ako.
Oo naman.
Pero,
Kailangan
yeah, for
natin.
sure, uuwi ako. Pero hindi ko alam kung, you know, after the Saigon, magta-try ba ako na ibang role sa London. So,
Why
yeah,
not?
let's
Why not?
see.
So everything's wait and see, I guess, for you.
After that.
But I'm sure you'll do brilliantly.
Thank you.
So may mga
Sana.
feeling ba, ang mga parents mo, may mga feeling ba nila na, dapat kuminom ka lagi ng vitamin C everyday.
Mama ko, natuto ka magluto, ha? Hindi.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's something you wanna try.
Before I leave, kailangan niya. Mag-aral talaga ako. Mag-isa lang ako doon. And I'm sure maraming Pinoy doon. Maraming mga Filipino restaurants. So, nakidayo na lang ako doon.
It's gonna be one heck of a journey for you.
Yes, I'm sure.
And I guess all we can say at this point is break a leg.
Salamat.
Sa concert mo on Feb 22, and of course, when you fly to do Gigi in Miss Saigon.
I'll see you in London.
Wow. Why not? Why not? I would love to see you perform
Yes, thank you so
on the
much.
London stage. Wow. That would be something like diba? Thank you and congrats, Rachel Ann.
Thank you. Next live.
And so here's more of Miss Rachel Ann.